Hi, it's Adam from Nokia, bringing you more Lumia from San Francisco. And I'm really pleased and excited to show you a brand new smartphone, the Nokia Lumia 930, which has some incredible hardware innovation. It's our flagship phone and will have some amazing stuff to really wet your whistle. So let's have a look at it. The first thing to notice on the hardware is the incredible screen. It's a 5-inch full 1080p and the brightest screen we've ever produced. It also has wireless charging inbuilt and it's cased in this lovely metal surround, but it's a Lumia, so you expect to see that coloured polycarbonate on the rear as well. Inbuilt is a 20 megapixel camera with optical image stabilisation and 4 directional mics, which now support a world first of 5.1 Dolby surround sound. So really gets incredible viewing for your home movies when you go to a concert or something. Now you get the audio to really support that incredible video we've delivered on previous phones. It also has a 2.2 GHz Quad Core processor with 2 gig of dual channel RAM to really make the most of Windows Phone 8.1 super fast. So let's take a look at a couple of the great features of Windows 8.1. The first thing to tell you is that Windows Phone has got even more personal, now allowing you to customize your start screen that bit more. You can add a personal photo to your tiles. So it could be a family member, a girlfriend or a boyfriend, or perhaps just your favorite pet or screensaver. It's really easy to do, just go into the settings and you can amend this yourself. You can also see, using the Quick Action Center, which if you pull down from the top of the screen, you'll be able to see all of your quick actions and you can change what these are, such as turning on Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, and you can see all of your notifications from all of your apps. So any third-party apps such as Facebook or Twitter will let you know all your notifications here. You can also get to your settings, and when you go into your settings, you'll be able to change a whole host of things. And there's brand new apps for battery saver mode, data sense, and storage sense, so you can see what's going on exactly under the hood of your phone all of the time. Now, there are some real improvements in the keyboard. So building on WordFlow, which you've already seen on Windows Phone, there's something now called shape writing, which allows you to just make shapes on the keyboard and type really, really fast. How fast? Guinness World Record fast. So this is the new Guinness World Record holder for speed on a keyboard. You'll also see some really great enhancements from Nokia as well, with the Nokia Cyan update, which now allows you to have a much better and interesting camera experience with things like living images in your gallery. We've also improved on Creative Studio, making it a lot easier to use the editing controls and added in some features there. And Storyteller now comes alive with Storyteller Video, which you can then post into your social networking sites. So there you have it. There's just a few of the really exciting innovations that you're going to get with Windows Phone 8.1 and Windows Phone Lumia Cyan update, all packaged in the new Nokia Lumia 930, the best of Windows and the best of Nokia.